Presently, we regulate only Caju Feni, but Hurak is still is in the unregulated sector. So, Magta ki Honorable Minister, Mukhyamantryakade to kindly conduct study and set standards for Hurak, like tanchi expiry date, or in order to bottle Hurak in the state of Goa and preserve so that other states don't take over and get the GI tag before us. So if we get the GI tag for Hurak, it will be all the byproducts of Caju, and its byproducts will be only for Goa because it is our heritage fruit and heritage drink. The Feni policy states that the Competency Assessment Board, CAB, must be constituted under the chairmanship of the Excise Commissioner and notified in order to certify GI Caju Feni. So this will ensure that top quality GI Caju Feni is sold in bottles, because there are many fly-by-night operators who, so in order to protect Amchi Caju industry, so we have to take care that the quality of the GI tag Feni is preserved.